Hello and hello and hello. Randy Cool, your favorite instructor from Zion Digital Driving School. Today we are going to talk about 9 common lights that appear. There are so many other lights that there are more than 40 something up to 30 something different lights, but the most common ones that appear on our dashboard, that's what we are going to talk today. We'll start from the left, from the right to the left. Anyhow, first of all, lights have 3 basic colors. You have the blue, the green, the amber or yellow or orange, the way depending on your car made and model. Any blue light is just simply a confirmation that the system is on. For example, in this case, you have your high beam headlights on, simply telling you that the lights of the vehicle is on. So you can see the blue light on your dashboard just to confirm that the system is working. This one here we commonly know fuel warning light when petrol runs short. And in some other videos, I advised some of our drivers to avoid seeing this light too often, because when you do this, you destroy your fuel pump. It goes to the bottom of the tank and takes out some residue, sand or dirt at the bottom, destroying the fuel tank, the fuel pump, or fuel pump risk of overheating. Now we have the power steering. This one, power steering, it simply means that your power steering is faulty or it's not on, right? Once you see the power steering is what helps you to steer softly, because when the power steering is not on, turning your steering wheel becomes very hard. Now when they say go, we cut and so you use oil muzzle. That is when you have a faulty power steering. Then now we have the engine coolant temperature warning light. Means that way engine don't overhot. That water when I used to put not water they put them they put radiator coolant. Water works though, but once you see this light, it's simply trying to tell you that your engine is overheating. What do you need to do when you see one of just pack one time, maybe to go drive a loop place where your radiator coolant there, or find the problem will be there. This is now the ABS warning light. ABS assistance now anti-lock braking system. Which way ABS they do now for assist you, make you brake properly, because once you brake with your normal brake, your wheels lock very easily. The ABS light can come on, but your normal brake will work. They work perfectly. It's just simply alerting you that the anti-lock braking system is malfunctioning. Your brake. This is a brake warning, simply warning you directly. In this model here, it warns you directly about your brake system. You have a faulty brake system. And remember, I said blue lights are just confirmations. When you have now the yellow lights or amber lights, these are warnings about systems malfunction, not so, which you can still use the car when you see an orange light. But when we get into the red zone, as we saw with the temperature, the brake, this is now the red zone. Please, if you see a brake light or a temperature warning light coming out red on your dashboard, stand and call a competent technician or mechanic to come and check it out before you make it worse. Red light again, we have now is what? Battery charge system warning light. So it could be so many things that will make a battery light come on. A faulty battery, a faulty alternator is the charger, or probably even a shock circuit. 2 wires meeting inside your bonnet can turn one of these lights on. So once you see it, try to locate the problem and handle it properly. We have this one now that looks like Aladdin's lamp. That is the oil pressure warning light. Oil pressure, meaning that your oil has gone down. Engine oil for motor, it don't go down. So once you see this, if you love your engine, you don't want to spend, just make sure you solve this one very fast, because the next thing you hear, I say engine door knock. Check engine. This is now your engine check light. Manufacturer indicator lamp. This one is handled mostly by experts. Once you see one of these on your dashboard, depending on the color, it could be red, it could be orange. So once I said any red light, address it immediately. If it's a yellow light, you can still take some time to handle it. When it's a green or blue light, it's simply just telling you that the system is functioning properly. But beware of red lights on your dashboard. Radicool. See you on another one.